So guys, ito po yung hospital garden. This is the hospital garden, guys. So while we are waiting for the bus, we're going to take video here. Ayan, you see my shadow. Ayan po, guys. And that is the roundabout. This is very nice, guys. Look at that. As in, ang ganda niya. You see? So we will turn around, guys, because we can see here. Ganda po ng ano niya. Yung garden na to. Look at that plant, guys. Very nice. You see, it's now autumn, guys, and we still have flowers here. I remember my son when he was little, when we come here to the hospital, and he likes coming in the garden. Actually, this garden is now smaller, guys, because they widened the parking area. I don't know how many is the capacity of the parking area here in the hospital, but it's very wide this time. So you see, that is the emergency, guys. How many times they bring me to that place. Look at this flower. Very nice. Ganda niya, guys. These flowers are very nice. I like it. See?